Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a super easy way to create stunning presentations, documents, or even web pages using AI, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving into Gamma.app one of the smartest design tools in 2025. First things first, head over to Gamma.app https://Gamma.app and sign up. You can use your Google account or email. The dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly. Click on Create New and pick what you want to make: a presentation, a doc, or a web page. This is where the magic happens. Enter a prompt like, "Make a presentation about the future of AI marketing," and boom, Gamma generates a full slide deck for you. Titles, bullet points, visuals all ready to go. You can choose to edit, regenerate, or add sections manually. You can switch up the theme, drag and drop elements, add charts, GIFs, polls, or even embed external content. It's like Canva and Notion had an AI-powered baby. Once you're happy with it, just click Share to send a link, or export it as a PDF or PowerPoint. You can even embed it into your website.